Hello everybody, my name is Emsley and welcome to another YouTube video. A while ago I made a video called Inkling voice test where I tried to convert an audio into sort of an Inkling voice. I mean, I personally didn't think it was that successful, but a lot of you guys actually liked it. So here's a tutorial. Now, the way I made the Inkling voice was, first of all, I downloaded Audacity. It's free. I can put a download link in the description. You have your audio here. You can import an audio by going to File, clicking Open, or you can just record one by clicking this little red button. I just recorded one. You go to the Effect tab, and then you go to Wah-Wah. What I do is I mess around with the settings until I find what's good enough. A lot of people's voices are different, so for every person, the settings is also going to be different. But you gotta mess around with everything until you find what works best. Okay, so I finished editing the Wah-Wah. Now, if you want to make it sound more like an Inkling, what you also can do is change the pitch. So you can go to change pitch, and usually you want to make it higher. That's the final product that I came up with. Thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.